Okay, Benjamin, he's going to try some carrots.
Ready?
Here we go.
Come on.
Oh, that's so good. He doesn't think it's too good.
Come on. Come on, try again. You gotta open.
What's the matter? What's she doing?
It's okay. Let's try. Come on, open. You can't have that. Oh! Poke him in the face.
Look at him closing his eyes.
What do you think, huh? Not a big fan?
It's just something new. Oh my goodness.
Let's try again. Come on, let's get some in the mouth, not just on your face. He won't open his mouth.
Benjamin.
Come on, buddy, try it.
Hi.
Let's try it again. Come on, let's try it again. You gotta taste it. Come on. Yeah, it's not so bad, huh?